Lawson?
Yes?
You're doing me 3 salad, a red mullet. You've got 4 bits in there. 3 twos are what?
6.
You've got 4 in there.
Can I do your 4 for now? No.
So you want me to serve 2 at the table and leave 1 on their own? Come on, fucking hell, guys.
Listen, you're just rushing. Calm down. You're OK. You can do this.
Jesus Christ almighty.
Take it completely off the heat. You've got enough time.
Service, please. Think about what you're doing. Concentrate. 1 table each, yes? Robert, it's not a racer. It's about perfection, OK? This is not a fucking bang it out, OK, and hope for the best. Now we put the food up. Are you happy with that?
Yeah.
You are, yes? You are, yes? Come on, another one.
Yes, I am, yeah.
Good. So you should be.
Okay.
Fuck off. Kathy Burke, please, yes? Right, Nigel, who's spilled that? Hold on, stop. What's going on?
The pat's going on.
Oh, come on. Come on, guys. You're going to send us all on fucking fire. Watch out. Watch out. Take the oil off the stove quickly. Oh, fuck me. What are you doing? Lawson, just for 5 minutes, go and pick some fucking strawberries. Go out the back and fucking pick some strawberries.
I think Gordon is right. I did panic. I was trying to do everything too quickly, too fast. I'll have to calm down and do things slower. 3 minutes, chef.
Look at that.
I'm going to kill
Yeah, but the first ones are immaculate, yeah? And that's perhaps the worst fucking shit you've cooked so far in here. Robert, you can't be happy with that.
I thought it would have cleaned up all right. Sorry,
You
chef.
can't be happy with that, honestly.
No, chef.
Because you know what? The last 3 tables have been perfect. That's shit.
OK, chef. No
And then
problem.
what do you think of me if I let you send that? You're going to think I'm a right fucking arsehole.
It's an hour and a half since the diner sat down, and the last starters are only just going out.
The smell's been getting me going anyway, to be honest. And what I really want to do is just pick it up and shove it in my mouth. But I've got a little bit to call, so I won't do that.
It's a really sort of succulent, light. I mean, a nice light flaky fish, and it was cooked just right.
Gentlemen, good evening. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good. What's the matter with your starter?
I found it a bit bland.
A bit bland, damn. Red mullet is very delicate, so it's a very subtle flavour, slightly sweet, and a nice crispy skin. You're clearly not paying for that, are you?
No.
I'll make sure you pay for your main course, trust me.
I don't think so. Hello.
How are you, my darling?
You all right?
Nice to see you.
Very nice to see you.
Good to see you. Now, I can't believe you're a fucking vegetarian. That's not true, is it?
Well, no, I'm not a vegetarian, because I eat fish.
OK, so not...
But I don't eat meat.
Right.
I haven't eaten meat for 24 years.
Any chance having a little conversion later?
No.
Would you never eat meat again?
No, I have tried,
Yeah.
but I don't think my stomach can handle it anymore.
Would you like to sneak with me behind the scenes and have a nice, lovely pink steak? The most amazing sirloin.
Well, get round the back and chunk with some meat with you, Gordon. No.
For you special, I'm going to do the most amazing risotto, but don't tell the other fuckers, they'll all want it, OK? Special treatment.
Very nice.
Good to see you, my darling.
I don't
See you
like
later.
risotto.
Huh? You don't like risotto?
Not really.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Because when you're a veggie, that's all you get given is risotto at people's houses for dinner and... Yeah. No, but I will try, because you're cooking it.
If you're unsure about the risotto, yes?
No.
No, I've got an amazing tagliatelle of wild mushrooms. I want you to be happy.
Yeah,
What would you prefer?
I would prefer the tagliatelle with wild mushrooms.
Tagliatelle of wild mushrooms,
Yeah.
yes?
Thank you so
Yes?
much.
Yes.
OK.
Thank
you.
Be back. See you later. Jean-Baptiste, how many customers are paying for their starter?
34.
34 are paying.
16 are not paying for the starter, 34 are paying for the starter.
Why not for the other 16?
The main reason is bland.
Bland?
Yeah.
The fact they had to wait fucking 90 minutes couldn't have helped. You know that?
Spoils the taste, chef.
But I mean, you go to a restaurant, you sat there an hour later, you haven't got your fucking starter, it spoils the taste, like you said. There may be 16 customers out there refusing to pay for their fucking starter, but I want 50 customers wanting to pay for their lamb. So, Lawson, yeah? Get a grip, because right now, it's me plus 4 butchers that are starting to look a little bit fucking silly. Concentrate and don't send it unless we're fucking happy. We're already pissed off 16 customers. Bring it back.